Now back with us is Doug Weatherman, the COO of Rare Restoration, who's been at the forefront, if you've been paying attention, of bringing AI into how restoration companies operate. Doug, I'm bringing you on here. I've also got Carlos Ramirez and Max Pena of Justified. Carlos is a creator of Justified and spent over a decade in restoration, including time deployed to different hurricanes around. So he really knows the game, been in this industry for quite a while. Max handles a lot of marketing communications. Max and I are going to get along quite well with the marketing expertise, guys. But before we get too much into it, I'm going to let you guys talk about your background. I want to get into what you built and what it actually does for you guys. So I want to welcome you guys on the show there today. Doug, welcome back, buddy. It's about time you get this thing rolling, right?
Yeah, man. Happy to be here, brother. It's nice to be back. I'm really excited to tell you guys about Justified today. We got a lot going on.
Yeah, Doug and Carlos, Max, thank you guys too. Before I get into you guys real quick, I gotta touch base with Doug because he, like I said before, he did leave us on a little bit of a cliffhanger. Doug, you told the crowd here that Justified was coming. Walk me through the moment. What are you guys actually building towards?
Justified is the world's first claims management system for restorers. It's built by restoration guys for restoration companies. We put heart and soul into the development of this whole entire company. It's built to solve a specific problem that only our industry has, and it's a one-of-a-kind, first of its kind type of product for our industry.
It's super exciting. I got a chance to peek under the hood a little bit. Check out the website, which I'm going to show. If you're listening to this, check out the YouTube, and then we'll have the website URL in the show notes. It's JSTFYD.com.
My name is Max Pena. I've been in marketing now for almost 15 years, and I met Carlos almost 5 years ago now when he was starting Pure Restore here in Denver. And so I was one of the first hires he made for his company.
So my name is Carlos Ramirez. I'm the owner of Pure Restore, Paragon Environmental currently. I've built and sold 3 other asbestos restoration companies in the past here in the Denver area. Yeah, so really what Justified is bottlenecks within my company. They're solutions to bottlenecks within my own company. So at the end of the day, what I do is I solve problems in my restoration company, my abatement company, and I built, well, when I say I built software for this, really I had engineers do this, but I worked with some engineers to help with my bottlenecks within my own restoration company.